East John Street, approximately 120 feet out. What you're looking at right there is an offset in the pipe with a big root. That's as far as I can push the camera out. I'll be pulling back from there. The date is April 25th, 2018. And this camera inspection is coming following a cabling after the line got clogged. Pull back, you'll see quite a bit of root intrusion. It's causing the clogs in this pipe. There's a plastic section. Intrusion there, some root there, some root there. So quite a bit of roots as we get closer to the house. Cable did a pretty good job of cutting them out, but as you can see, they're still there. Through a clean out in the basement. That's the line. Signing out.